Hello students, hope you are all fine. In the previous class we discussed about rules for drawing ray diagrams. In today's class we shall discuss various ray diagrams of convex lens. Right, let us see. I have already told you the denotation of a convex lens. This is how a convex lens is represented. Now this is C2, F2, F1, C1. First case, when you place the object at infinity, the parallel rays fall on the convex lens and they all meet at focus. So you get a point size image at F1. The image is real. Next, beyond C2. Next case, we keep the object beyond C2. Let us see where the image forms. One ray I am taking parallel to principal axis, so it will pass through focus. Another ray I am taking passing through optic center. So both rays are meeting here. I will draw a perpendicular. This indicates what? It indicates the image. So here image is inverted. It is formed between F1 and C1, and it is diminished real image. Next case we will take at C2. C2, F2, F1, C1. Object I am placing at C2. One ray I am taking parallel to principal axis, so it will pass through focus. Another ray I am taking passing through optic center. So it is formed at C1. Now image is of same size. It is a real image. Inverted. It is of same size. It is a real image inverted at C1. It is formed at C1. This is about case 3. Case 1, case 2, case 3. Let us discuss case 4. It is between C2 and F2. C2, F2, F1, C1. Now I am keeping the object between C2 and F2. One ray I am taking parallel to principal axis, it will pass through focus. Another ray I am taking passing through optic center. Both rays are intersecting at this point. Draw a perpendicular. So you get this is a inverted real and enlarged image. Inverted real and enlarged image formed beyond C2. That's about the case 4. Let us discuss case 5. We are keeping now object at F2. C2, F2, F1, C1. I am keeping the object at F2. One ray parallel to principal axis, it will pass through focus. Other ray passing through optic center. So both rays are not meeting. Image is formed at infinity. So you cannot tell about the image, it is formed at infinity. Next case, last case, this is C2, F2, F1, C1. Object is placed between F and P. One ray pass parallel to principal axis, it will pass through focus. Other ray passing through optic center. If you extend them backside, they meet here. So you are getting a virtual, erect and enlarged image. You are getting virtual, erect and enlarged image. These are about the different cases that we have discussed. That's all for today's class, children. We shall continue in the next class.